Alright, thank you so much everyone for dropping by into this video of mine. So I made a previous video about an AmLife mattress which I unboxed. So I thought to follow up with this explainer video in terms of how the mattress actually works and why there's this benefit that people who use this mattress actually claim these positive benefits after using it. So this is an explainer video for that. I'm not sure if it's for everyone because it's pretty deep in a sense. One of the primary reasons why I made this video is because a while back I realized that the reason why many products, be it like supplements or these kind of devices actually work very well is because it influences the glutathione pathway in some manner and way. So I thought by making this explainer video we can better visualize how these products work in our body, and as we gain benefits from it we are aware of actually what's happening, which allows us to actually modify or augment the regime or protocol that we are on for our benefit and personalize for our individual health goals and so on and so forth. So that's the reason for such videos that I make or release recently. Okay, thank you. See you.
The system utilizes a tri-modal architecture, combining high-voltage static electric fields, far-infrared thermal radiation, and acoustic brainwave entrainment. This platform is designed to physically manipulate the specific kinetic bottlenecks within intracellular glutathione synthesis, utilization, and salvage. Maintaining this pathway requires the acquisition of specific precursor amino acids, the transcription of synthetic enzymes, and a continuous supply of NADPH for energy. By synchronizing physical inputs to these three biochemical requirements, the system forces the host organism into a hyper-reductive state. The first failure point occurs during de novo synthesis. Building glutathione is strictly bottlenecked by the low intracellular availability of cysteine. To solve this, cells utilize electrogenic transporters, like the ASCT2 membrane protein, to aggressively import extracellular cysteine and glutamate. The ASCT2 transporter uses sodium ions to create a plus 0.81 charge. Normally, a negative 70 millivolt potential provides baseline inward pull. By introducing a massive negative 1000 volt field, electric potential therapy violently steepens the gradient, rapidly accelerating amino acid influx. Because this is a static field with virtually zero active current, the therapy induces no muscular contraction or electric shock. Beyond precursor acquisition, the field modulates intracellular calcium transients, acting as a secondary messenger to prime the cell's antioxidant machinery. By utilizing brute force electrostatic attraction, the system ensures synthesis proceeds at maximum theoretical velocity throughout the night. Flooding the cell with raw materials is insufficient without the enzymatic machinery required to assemble them. The device addresses this through an advanced carbon fiber matrix that emits penetrative thermal energy strictly within the 4 to 14 micron wavelength range. This deep tissue hyperthermia acts as a systemic vasodilator, reducing vascular resistance and altering local hemodynamics. As blood vessels expand, the resulting thermodynamic shear stress across the endothelial lining triggers a specific genetic cascade. This stimulus causes a conformational change in the KEAP1 repressor protein, releasing the NRF2 transcription factor. The liberated NRF2 translocates to the nucleus, binding to the antioxidant response element to drive massive transcription of the glutamate cysteine ligase enzyme. This brings us to the final requirement. Recirculating oxidized glutathione requires the continuous consumption of NADPH energy. Far-infrared thermal shifts activate AMPK, the cellular energy sensor, which orchestrates a systemic metabolic adaptation. As seen here, AMPK phosphorylates HSP27, immediately shunting glucose metabolism away from standard glycolysis and into the pentose phosphate pathway to generate a massive pool of NADPH. This ensures the physical construction of synthesis machinery while securing the energetic supply required for overnight redox defense. Even a perfectly optimized pathway will collapse if the system is drained by stress-induced competitive inhibition. Modern lifestyles maintain a state of unyielding sympathetic dominance, characterized by the chronic elevation of circulating cortisol. Elevated cortisol directly hyperactivates the NOx family of inflammatory membrane-bound enzymes. This model shows NOx siphoning intracellular NADPH away from glutathione reductase, starving the recycling engine. NOx uses this stolen energy to generate toxic superoxide, which aggressively consumes the existing pool of reduced glutathione for neutralization. The Deep Sleep's AmSonic frequency therapy acts as a neuroacoustic countermeasure to this systemic drain. It utilizes binaural beats to entrain the brain's electrical activity, pulling beta waves down into the 0.5 to 4 Hz delta state associated with deep sleep. This induces a parasympathetic shift that increases vagal tone and significantly reduces systemic cortisol levels. By crashing cortisol, the system downregulates NOx activity and halts the unwarranted generation of superoxide. This ensures the massive quantities of synthesized glutathione are preserved for basal repair and DNA maintenance, rather than being consumed by stress-induced inflammation. We can now see how these synchronized biophysical modalities behave when applied to specific systemic pathologies. In metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease, aberrant metabolic shifts deplete hepatic glycine, paralyzing glutathione synthesis. The 1,000-volt electric field intervention overrides this depletion by forcing immense quantities of circulating amino acids into the hepatic tissue. In models of severe sepsis-associated encephalopathy, this aggressive neuroinflammation triggers rapid and irreversible apoptosis within dense neuronal networks. AmSonic entrainment combats this by suppressing NOx activity and preserving neuronal viability. Cardiovascularly, far-infrared radiation induces nitric oxide generation, while elevated glutathione captures it to form the protective GSNO complex for sustained vasodilation. These physical inputs orchestrate a unified clinical defense against high oxidation and low metabolic states. This mattress is part of a broader wellness ecosystem that includes targeted blankets and amino acid supplements, designed to provide the biochemical building blocks for cellular repair. The Deep Sleep system is engineered as durable, ultra-premium medical equipment. Secondary market data reflects this, showing extreme value retention due to the system's capacity to execute daily, high-level physiotherapy. In an era defined by environmental toxicity and sleep deprivation, the body's natural redox capacity is fundamentally insufficient. Leveraging biophysics to enforce redox homeostasis represents a mathematically sound foundation for cellular longevity and the future of preventative medicine.